I haven't screwed down. I haven't screwed down. Excuse me, not screwed, but I haven't. What's the word I'm trying to find here, guys? This pipe hasn't been permanently stuck here because it's an air pipe, and I want to make sure before I glue it in on the roof, you know, that I have it exactly where I need it. But considering, oh my God, there's like no water at all. It's just slightly moist. I was expecting it to be dripping like an MF. All right, where's the other one? There's another one over here. It's actually in there, behind there. But I'm sure it's fine. I'm not going to get into it. Hang on. Yes, I am. You know me. Oh, it looks good. There's no water. Oh, I'm so excited. So excited. Oh, my God. Okay. So, I mean, we're at this strange preclusive point in the development of the Airstream's progress. And let me lock that in there. Okay, any leaking here? Is that leaking? Nope. Leaking? Nope. All right, man. How great is this? You can see the rain. Oh, okay, let's look over here. Oh, my God. You guys, I was honestly expecting there to be puddles of water somewhere, you know? There's nothing. It's bone dry. Oh, I'm so grateful, so excited, and so relieved. My gosh. Wowza, schnauzer. I gotta be honest, I am beyond excited. I think this turned out pretty damn good. What do you guys think? I know I need a screw thing here, but what I did was this had actually broken, snapped, and just because the plastic is so old. So I literally bonded it and recreated a really hardened plastic feel. And then I routed out, I screwed out a thing. I just need to put a screw in there. I was waiting for it to dry before I put the screw back in. But I think that looks really, really good considering, You're not going to look at that. I mean, over here is the way it is. Ooh, hello. We got water, folks. Right here, there's water. Uh-oh. Where's it coming from? Where is it coming from? We have water. We have a puddle. Oh, I see the dripping. Right here. Right there. Okay. I got this. There you go. There's the dripping right there. So, all right, it's coming. It's coming from this window. It is coming from this window right here. So, I don't want it to drip on the wall. So I'm gonna get on this, guys. I see where it is. This window, I replaced this window, and it's not sealing properly on the top. I can see where the leak is coming from, but I got this. The only leak in the whole place.